Do you want to know how you can transfer chats or messages of WhatsApp from one phone to another? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer the WhatsApp chats or messages from one phone to the other. Go ahead and open WhatsApp, which is on your phone. Tap on the three dots which is on the top right hand corner and then click Settings. Now tap on Chats, scroll a bit down until you find Transfer Chats. Tap on it and click Start. Now go to Settings, go to Permissions, scroll and then find Nearby Devices. Click on Allow, go way back, and then you can see that you can now download WhatsApp on your new phone, register with the same phone number, and use this phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone. Now, as this has been enabled, you can click Start Now, and then you can see that if you go over here, you can see this code. You can scan this code with your phone, and then you can start transferring your WhatsApp messages. So make sure that all of your chats have been backed up. If it wasn't backed up, the transferred messages will not be complete. I hope this video about how you can transfer WhatsApp chat or messages from one phone to the another was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.